Welcome to Kevin's Tech Review. Today we are going to talk about VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. When you are using VPN, you could browse virtually any website in the world. And basically, most of the users, they will find problem browsing certain website in their own country. This is due to the government policies or their telco policies. So by using VPN, you could able to download or browse any website that you wouldn't able to see. You would not able to browse previously. So VPN, there are two types, paid and free version. And today we are going to talk about Hotspot Shield, which they provide free VPN services to the user. So you could go to this hotspotshield.com and you can see that there are two versions. There's a monthly payment and there's a basic plan, which is a free payment, which this is the one that we are going to use. Okay, so right now, if you are using Mac, it is very simple to download the apps. If you are using PC, you just have to follow the instructions on their website. So right now, we are going to talk about Mac versions. So for Mac user, you have to go to App Store and look for Hotspot Shield. So right now, yes, this is the one that we have to download into our computers. Let's get it started. Click Get, Install. Okay, right now, let's take a look. We have finished download. And let's go to Launchpad. Let's run the Hotspot Shield. So it's kind of straightforward. So first of all, of course, if you haven't signed up, you have to sign up one account with them. You can use any email. So right now, I will sign up. I will sign in using my own email account. Okay, after we sign in, we press Closed, accept the terms and conditions. Yep, that's simple. So you have to just sign up their free account, and then right after that, you can come to this page. And for you to start to use, just a simple click on this button, and don't forget to click Allow to add the VPN configuration to your Mac computer. And voila. So this is how we are going to use this VPN. And the beautiful part of VPN is this VPN could tell your computer that basically you are virtually in a certain country. You're browsing in certain countries, such as you are located in US, but by right, actually you are in Singapore or you're in Malaysia. So that is why that you allow to browse most of the website if they change your location, your virtual location to certain countries such as in US or UK. So right now, when the VPN is running, how do you know that? So you can see that the timer, the countdown is over here. So basically you can use as long as you want. But of course, there's a free version. There's some limitation to the bandwidth you are going to use. So now, how do you know that? We are going to open Safari, and when you start to browse towards Yahoo, and you can see that the first page launch, and you can see that, yep, basically this is the web page that is catered for US citizens. So that means that actually we are already using VPNs and browsings, and it will assume that you are the US citizens browsing the website. So the beauty part of VPN, this is the one. So hopefully you enjoy. If you would like to stop and come back to your own country's browsing, so what you need to do, you just need to click the VPN Hotspot Shield over here, and you just click Stop. So once you click Stop, and right now you come back to your own normal connections. So hope you all enjoy. Thank you.